Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Module 3, Information Systems Acquisition, Development and Implementation. 1. Acquisition processes. This involves understanding how organizations acquire new information systems, whether through purchasing software, developing in-house solutions, or outsourcing development. It includes evaluating the procurement process for information systems to ensure that it aligns with organizational objectives and follows best practices. 2. Development processes. This covers the methodologies and techniques used in developing information systems. This includes traditional software development methodologies like Waterfall, Agile, or DevOps. Auditors need to assess whether development processes are efficient, effective, and secure, ensuring that proper controls are in place throughout the development lifecycle. 3. Implementation processes. This focuses on the deployment and integration of information systems into an organization's infrastructure. Auditors assess whether proper planning, testing, and change management procedures are followed during implementation to minimize risks and ensure a smooth transition to the new system. They also verify that security controls are implemented correctly to protect the system and its data. 4th, project management. Understanding project management principles and practices is crucial for auditors to evaluate the management of information systems projects. This includes assessing project plans, schedules, budgets, and risk management strategies to ensure projects are completed on time, within budget, and according to specifications. 5. Quality assurance and testing. Auditors examine the quality assurance and testing processes employed during system development and implementation to ensure that the system meets specified requirements and operates as intended. This involves reviewing testing plans, methodologies, and results to identify any defects or vulnerabilities that may compromise system integrity or security. 6. Post-implementation reviews. After the system is implemented, auditors conduct post-implementation reviews to assess whether the system meets business objectives, operates effectively, and delivers expected benefits. This involves gathering feedback from users, evaluating system performance metrics, and identifying areas for improvement. The Information Systems Acquisition, Development, and Implementation domain of the CISA exam focuses on ensuring that information systems are acquired, developed, and implemented in a manner that aligns with organizational goals, complies with relevant regulations and standards, and mitigates risks to the organization's information assets.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.